This video is going to look at how to use buttons to trigger actions. It's a beginner video, so it doesn't require any prior knowledge other than how to plug in the microbit. You can even do it without a microbit and just run the whole thing in the simulator within MakeCode. Check the description below for a link to a blog post that accompanies this video and contains the actual code for you to download. My name is Amy, and I am the founder of Wonkits. I create resources and projects for educators teaching programming to middle and high school students. Okay, to get started, I'm going to click the microbit in the middle of the screen here. And then I'm going to click on New Project. I'm going to call my project Button Events. And then I'm going to click Create. Now we're in the main screen, and if you're unfamiliar with the microbit, you can see the two buttons on either side of the LED array in the middle here. And these are the buttons we're going to go ahead and program. I don't need either of the existing blocks in the work screen, so I'm just going to drag these into the trash. When a button is pushed, it's considered an event, and it's providing input that the computer code must recognize to be able to respond to the button being pushed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the input button because that's where events are contained, and then click on button A pressed. Now you can see there's a down arrow by the A. If I click on that, there's other options, but we're just going to stick with the A button for now, and this button is labeled A here. The next thing we need to do is add an action that will be the response of the button. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Basic and then select Show Number and drag that into the block. And I'm going to set it to number 6. Now we can test this in our simulator. I'll press the A button and the number 6 appears. Note that the screen doesn't clear, so we'll have to set up another event to clear the screen. So let's go ahead. I'm going to duplicate this. You can drag another one out if you want to, but I'm just going to duplicate it. It has gone kind of grayed out here with a crosshatch. That means it's no longer active because we have another event with the same setting. And now I'm going to drag the show number out and put it in the trash. And what we're going to put in there instead is clear screen. And then I'm going to change it to A plus B as the button combination to use. Now you can see on the simulator that an A plus B has just been added, and it has a little button here that simulates pressing both the A and B button together. The code itself is reinitialized, so the 6 disappeared on the simulator as well. So let's go ahead and test the code. We'll press the A button and see that the 6 appears, and then we'll press this simulator button and the screen clears. So now I want to try this on my microbit. So I'm going to press download and then next. And I'm going to press download as a file. Make sure I have my microbit selected. And then click save. And then if you look at your microbit, you'll see the light on the back is blinking. That means the code is loading. And once that's done, we can go ahead and test our code. So I'm going to press the A button and a 6 appears. Now I'm going to press the A and the B button together and the 6 disappears. That's it for this video. As always, I appreciate your support. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.